Yes, welcome to my first video session. Yes, here in this video we will discuss about the small signal amplifiers. Yes, small signal amplifiers generally amplifier is an electronic circuit. It as already we know that amplifier is an electronic circuit. See here what is circuit is a combination of electronic components. This components to connect in a proper way to get the desired output. Based on the that is a circuit. See here the basic element in this amplifier is a transistor. So this transistor may be either a BJT or a FET. We know there are two types of transistors, FET and BJT. Anyone we can use to design an amplifier circuit. These amplifier circuits are divided. Just now we discussed amplifier is a circuit. What is an amplifier means? It is a circuit. It is amplifying the applied input signal. That means here the application of the main purpose of amplifier is to boost up the signal. So for this, the input of an amplifier is very weak signal. This weak signal, very less signal is applied to the input. This signal is amplified and the amplifier is generating a larger magnitude. That means amplifier is amplifying the applied input signal. What is an amplifier means? Amplifier is an electronic device. It is amplifying the applied input signal. Here that signal is a weak signal, right? That means it is performing amplification. What is the function of the amplifier means? Here amplifier is performing the amplification. Now the question is, what is amplification? Amplification is a process. In this process it increases the amplitude of the input signal without changing its frequency as well as the shape of the signal. This amplification, it is a process. What it is for amplifier is doing? Amplifier is increasing the amplitude of the input signal without changing the frequency as well as the shape of the signal. Only the varying component is amplitude, right? See, the basic element in this amplifier circuit is a transistor. Here we are in this session we will discuss about only the BJT. We are taking the BJT, that to NPN transistor, NPN BJT transistor. To use the BJT in an amplifier circuit, definitely for this amplification the transistor should be in the active region. It should be in the active region. So already we know that transistor has three terminals: emitter, base and collector. Emitter, base and collector, and it has three regions: cutoff region, active region and the saturation region. What is saturation region? In the saturation region, the input junction and the output junction both are in the forward bias. When the transistor will be in the cutoff saturation region means, in this if the input junction and the output junction both are in the forward bias, then the transistor will be in the saturation region. If the input junction is in the forward bias and the output junction is in the reverse bias, and then the transistor is in the active region. And if the input junction is in the reverse bias as well as the output junction is also connected in the reverse bias, that means both input and output junctions are in the reverse bias, then the transistor is in the cutoff region. So transistor as an amplifier circuit, definitely it should be in the active region. That means input junction is in the forward bias and output junction should be in the reverse bias. This is the first condition to design an amplifier circuit. See, here amplifier is amplifying the signal. That means it is increasing the input signal without changing its frequency and shape. If any amplifier circuit increases its magnitude without any changes in the shape of the signal, then that is called faithful amplification, and we can say that circuit is a faithful amplifier, faithful amplification, right? This is about amplifier. Now we will see the basic amplifier circuit using BJT in the common emitter mode. That means we are discussing about the amplifier circuit, and the main component here is a BJT, and that transistor is in CE mode. Here first, what is CE mode? Right, transistor has three terminals: emitter, base, junction. So out of these three junctions, three terminals, emitter, base and collector terminals, out of these three terminals, if the emitter is common to both the input junction and the output junction, then that is called common emitter mode. That means in the common emitter mode, the input is base. That means the input is applied at the base terminal, and the output is taken from the collector terminal. And similarly, there are two other modes, CC and CB. Common base mode. Common base is common for both the input and output junctions modes, and emitter is the input, collector is the output. CC, common collector. So in the common collector configuration, common collector mode, collector is common for input and output junctions, and input is applied to the base terminal and output is taken from the emitter terminal. This is about three modes of transistor. Now we can see the emitter circuit, a common emitter amplifier circuit. Here it is an NPN circuit, NPN transistor. If you observe this circuit, here VBB, this VBB, what I already said that to amplify the signal, the transistor should be in the active region. What is active region? The input junction should be in the forward bias and the output junction should be in the reverse bias. So here the input junction is base emitter junction with VBB voltage. This junction is forward biased, and collector emitter junction, and this is reverse biased through VCC. Now the input VI, input signal, is applied to the base of the transistor through C1, and output is across the collector resistor. Right. See here, what is C1 and C2 are the coupling capacitors. C1 and C2 are the coupling capacitors. C1 is input coupling capacitor. It blocks the DC signal and it allows the AC signal. Similarly, C2 is also a coupling capacitor to the output. If you see this, input weak signal, and the amplified signal at the output. If you compare these two, the input is the output signal is more compared to the input signal. and you can observe these two input and these two signals are out of phase, 180 degrees out of phase. How it is, we will see in the next slide. See, okay. CA amplifier, it is a basic amplifier. Now just we discuss amplifier, and it is used as a voltage amplifier. C is the basic amplifier circuit. Generally it is a voltage amplifier. It is also used as a voltage amplifier. There are many voltage amplifier, power amplifiers like that. So it is, that means this amplifier circuit is amplifying the voltage. And circuit operation, when the input is applied to the base junction, when the input signal is applied at the emitter base junction, the forward bias across this junction increases during the upper off cycle. That means whenever the input is applied at the base, terminal, that means the input is for the positive off cycle, for the first positive off cycle, this off cycle, the input, that means the input voltage is going on increasing, that means the base current, input current also increases, the input current is also increasing. The input current is increasing. When the input current is increasing, that means this collector current also increasing. We know the relationship between the IB and IC. IC equals beta times of IB. IC is equals to beta times of IB. Here IB is the input current, base current, that is beta is the amplification factor, it is a very high value. So IC equals to beta times of IB. That means here during the positive off cycle, IB is increasing. When the IB is increasing means IC is also increasing. Base input current is increasing, so collector current is also increasing. With this, the drop across the RC, that means ICRC is also increasing. ICRC also increasing. Drop across the resistor is increasing. That means the output decreasing. The output is decreasing. This is for the positive off cycle. When the positive input is applied at the base of the base terminal, base of the transistor, the base current is increasing, IB. With this, the collector current is also increasing. With the increased collector current, the drop across the collector resistor is also increasing. Because of this more drop at the resistor RC, the voltage is decreased during the positive cycle. In the negative off cycle, for the negative off cycle, that means when the negative off cycle is applied to the base IB, in this case input signal is applied to the base terminal, that means the negative cycle, that means base current is decreasing, this base current is decreasing, IB is decreasing, that means IC is also decreasing. IC is decreasing means ICRC, that is the drop across RC also decreasing. V0, therefore the V0 is increasing. V0 is increasing, that means we are getting the high value. Generally it is a positive value. We will see. During the negative half cycle, decreases the forward bias voltage. These are the waveforms. If we observe these two waveforms, this is the input waveform in millivolts, and this is the output waveform in the volts. Due to output waveform in the volts. For the positive input, here we are getting the negative output. For the negative input, we are getting the positive output. They say this is we know the equation VCC equals to ICRC plus VCE. VCE is the collector to emitter voltage. Here that is the output voltage. That means VCE is equals to VCC minus ICRC. When the ICRC during the positive half cycle, if this ICRC is increasing, V0 is equals to VCC minus ICRC. Here this RC factor is increasing. That means the V0 is in the negative value. This is during positive half cycle. Whereas in the negative half cycle, the drop across it is reducing. The ICRC factor is decreased. That is the reason V0 is more, that is positive value in the negative cycle case. So CA amplifier is a basic amplifier circuit. Here it is amplifying the applied weak signal. In CE amplifier, the output signal is out of phase with the input signal. That is, it is 180 degrees out of phase. The main advantage of CE amplifier is it provides a good current gain, good voltage gain, as well as the good power gain. This small signal amplifier, this CE amplifier can be also called voltage amplifier. That means CE amplifier can be used as a voltage amplifier. That means for voltage amplification, we can use the common emitter configuration, the transistor in the common emitter configuration. Right. This common emitter is also called grounded emitter. This common emitter is sometimes called grounded emitter terminal. See, I will give the overview of this session. See here in this session we discussed about small signal amplifiers. That means amplifiers are broadly classified into small signal amplifiers and large signal amplifiers. Here small signal amplifiers generally called voltage amplifiers, and large signal amplifiers are called power amplifiers. Right. Large signal and small signal. In the small signal amplifier, and one more thing, in this small signal amplifier, the circuit is in only one stage, that is single stage. We can say single stage amplifier circuit. That means the transistor, only one amplifier circuit is there in this session circuit. Right. Amplifier is a circuit. It is amplifying the weakest signal. To design any amplifier circuit, the transistor should be in the active region. It must be in the active region. That means the emitter, the input junction should be in the forward bias, and the output junction should be in the reverse bias. That means the first condition, the first step to design the transistor means it should be in the active region for the complete input signal. That means throughout the input signal, the transistor should be in the active region. That is the first condition. And the transistor should be biased properly. It should be biased properly. Generally you will use the voltage divider biasing with R1 and R2 resistors, and there is one more resistor, that is called emitter resistor. Signal. This is completely about the common emitter amplifier circuit. Here the thing is, the transistor should be in the active region, and in common emitter amplifier the output signal is always 180 degree, the output signal is 180 degrees out of phase with the input signal. The main purpose of it is the common emitter advantage is it provides the good voltage gain, good current gain, and power gain. This is about small signal amplifier, the basic CE amplifier circuit. Thank you. So